Hi everybody, I am Saima from Meroz Khan Blogger, and after a long time I am here with you with a new video. And in this particular video I will let you know how you can create your WordPress blog and create content for this particular blog using ChatGPT. So as you know, ChatGPT have created a very great hype, and people are using this amazing AI tool for different purposes. So when you want to create a website, blog website, you must have articles, and if you want to improve Google AdSense or any other ad network on your website, you must have a minimum 10 to 15 articles that must be unique on your website. So here is my website, and I have created this website 15 days ago, and I have posted all content on this website using ChatGPT. So when I will open any article, you will see there are different things that can come in article, like introduction section, brief history, problems, challenges, benefits, advantages, disadvantages of that topic, and the most important thing is conclusion and frequently asked questions. So we have to guide ChatGPT step by step how it can create this kind of content. So I have already opened ChatGPT window, and now I will ask him to act as SEO content writer. So now it will work as a SEO content writer, and when you will provide it topic, it will create outline and article on that particular topic, uh, just like an SEO content writer. So suppose I want to create an article on machine learning. So I will guide him. So when you guide this particular tool just like this way, like I want to create an article outline on my focused keyword machine learning, and intent of content should be informational. So what will happen, it will create an outline just based on my provided information. So as you can see that each article must have an introduction section, and mostly in introduction section we define the topic, we elaborate the importance of that topic and brief history of that topic. Next thing come types of machine learning. So it divided mainly into different types, and then how machine learning works and applications of machine learning, and challenges and limitations of machine learning. Also at the end it shows future of machine learning, and final thoughts will be conclusion. FAQs is not generated, you can create separately. Now your article outline is generated, so you can see that uh, in one web prompt it create up to 1000 word. So all these content outlines cannot be covered in one possible prompt, so you have to provide it topics step by step that it have created to create content. So now please write introduction section as per your created outline I am providing below. So now what will happen, it will create introduction section for you. Each time you have to provide all the things from the article outline that it have generated, and you will get with new ideas and new concepts. So in this way, if you want to approve your website for Google AdSense or any other purpose, you can create it. So I also want to show you site analytics. So here you can see that this is organic traffic. Total unique visitors are 12, total impressions 30, and total clicks are 5 up to 2 days. So I will come back to new post and will guide you step by step how to create an SEO article for your website. So first of all, I will post my content here and we'll go back to ChatGPT. And now, and next is types of machine learning. Here, I will edit this response and will ask ChatGPT to create content. Now, please write content as per your created outline I am providing below. So here I will give types of machine learning and it will create content on these types of machine learning. So if it sometime it behave abnormally, so you have to stop and so you have to guide it properly when you will train ChatGPT in proper way. It can create amazing content. So now it is creating content on types of machine learning. Next, I will let you know how you can create external and internal links for your SEO purposes. Also, your focused keyword and meta description for your blog content if you want to rank your content. So now I am going back and I want to mention types of machine learning in my blog post. So heading plays an important role, but before moving to that section, I want to ask ChatGPT to create meta title and meta description for focused keyword machine learning. Meta description and meta title play very important role. Also, you have to change your URL or permalink structure. So suppose machine learning comprehensive guide is my post title. I will put it here and my focus keyword is machine learning. So I will come back to rank math and will place here my focused keyword. Then I will edit snippet for meta description and I will copy this meta description and will place it there. Also, this is the permalink structure machine learning, a comprehensive guide. So if you want to change permalink and only want to place here machine learning, then your new URL will be based on this particular thing. So these were the few things that were for the SEO perspective. Next thing, you can select a post category for your blog post. If you don't know how to create, simply click on add new category. And also we have to provide tags for SEO perspectives. Here I will add new tag and will place in machine learning types, machine learning applications. So you can use your keyword in various ways. Also, featured image is very important. So when you select any featured image, suppose I want to select this one. You have to place your keyword in alt text, machine learning, your title, your caption, and your description. So it can increase your SEO score. Also, you have to create some kind of internal as well as external link for ranking purposes. Suppose I want to search here for machine learning, and I can link my blog post with top Google results. Suppose I come back here, and I want to make this particular section and give it an external link. I will provide an external link URL and will do setting for it. Open a new tab and set to no follow. Next, I want to add an internal link to my blog. So for this, I will go back to my site and will click on machine learning. Suppose I want to give this article URL and want to link it. I will come back here and will provide it here and will. So my blog post now have one internal link and one external link. Also, you have to mention different kind of headings in your blog post. So your first heading is mostly H2 and next headings are H3, H4 or H5. It depends upon you how you can relate it. Suppose this was my first heading and I want to give it here, and I will set it as H2. Next, importance of machine learning. For importance of machine learning, I will set heading number 3. Next, for history of machine learning, I will set heading number 3. Now again come back here, types of machine learning. So for types of machine learning, again this time I will set heading 2, and then each subcategory will go into uh, heading number 3. Suppose supervised learning is further divided into two categories like classification and regression. Then what will happen? I will give classification. Suppose I am going to provide supervised learning heading 3. Then I will give classification to heading number 4. So in this way you can organize your content, use proper images, proper keyword in your content. Don't stuff your keyword, use properly and use it where it required. Also use rank math and properly check at each time you do some SEO kind of task. You can see that here SEO score can be increased. Mostly when this box get green, your SEO is very good. So this was all about how you can create content using ChatGPT and create blog on that based on that content. Suppose now I want to ask ChatGPT to create FAQs on machine learning. So FAQs are very important section. You can create from here, or also you can go here at Google and search for machine learning. So when you will see you here, you will see a section people also ask, and when or you can go down and here you can see that related searches. So you can create FAQs from these related searches or people also ask section, or you can just copy these people also ask section and give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give you answer. Or if you don't want to get it from Google, simply ask ChatGPT to create FAQs on your topic, and it will create amazing FAQs for you. So suppose I want to add FAQs to my blog section. I will come back here, and here simply click on add blog and search for FAQ. So rank math give you the facility to add FAQ. Here your question will goes like, what is machine learning? And in answer section you have to give answer to your question. So suppose I want to give answer here. So in this way you can add FAQs to your blog section, and also you have to give FAQs heading, and you will give FAQs heading to H2. Similarly, you can add new FAQ here, and after doing all things like introduction, importance, types, challenges, future considerations, conclusion, and FAQs, you can publish your blog post. So I hope you can get my points, and you can properly guide. When you will properly guide ChatGPT, it will hopefully create unique and amazing content for you that will not be harmful and will not be duplicated. Thank you very much for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to share this video with other audience. Thank you very much again.